How to use gerunds in English. ESL Content Lab. What is a gerund? A gerund is a verb form that functions as a noun. A gerund is made by taking the base form of a verb and adding ing. For example, walk becomes walking. Walking is a gerund. And just like in the continuous tenses, the last e is dropped in verbs that end in e. And short, stressed verbs get a double letter before the ing ending. So, dance becomes dancing, and run becomes running. Here are a few more gerunds. Why are gerunds important? Gerunds allow us to speak about activities, actions, and behaviors in a more fluent and flexible way. Look at this example. I read a lot. I like it. This is correct, but quite basic. Instead, we can say, reading is my favorite hobby. Reading is a gerund. Tip number 1. When the subject of a sentence is an activity or behavior, we use a gerund. Skiing is fun. Driving over the speed limit is dangerous. Eating healthy food is important. In these examples, skiing is an activity, and driving over the speed limit and eating healthy food are behaviors or actions. Your turn. Pause the video and complete these sentences. Good work. Tip number 2. When speaking about an action, activity, or behavior, some verbs are always followed by the gerund form. Pause the video to read the list. I enjoy listening to music. You should quit smoking. I am considering moving to a new city. Do you mind rescheduling our meeting? I suggested studying at the library. They discussed hiring another assistant. I miss hiking in the mountains. I started doing yoga on Wednesdays. Your turn. Pause the video and complete the sentences. Anna enjoys painting in her free time. Mark suggested hiring an assistant. Sarah started going to the gym last month. Tip number 3. When an action word comes directly after a preposition, it usually takes the gerund form. My father is afraid of flying. My mother is interested in learning Spanish. I'm sorry for being loud. We're thinking about going to the park. She is good at solving math problems. Practice exercise. Complete with a teacher or in the comments. Create 2 sentences using a gerund as the subject of each sentence. Use the photos below for inspiration. Pause the video to complete the exercise. Finish the sentences below. Use gerunds. Feel free to be creative. Pause the video to complete the exercise. Finish the sentences below. Use gerunds. Feel free to be creative. Pause the video to complete the exercise. Let's keep learning. Like and subscribe below for more English learning content.